Not for me, my friend. Yeah. Yeah. Yes, 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 yes. Oh, my favorite food is a Filipino food. Yes, my friend. Filipino food, yeah. Like adobo or the noodles. I love noodles. Do you love noodles? Do you love noodles? I love noodles. Yeah. Yes. Oh, you name it. The Mexican food, that's also my favorite. Yeah, Mexican food. Mhm. The tacos, the other day I have burrito. It's a huge burrito and I divided it into two. One for my lunch and one for my dinner. And they put, I love the rice, those Mexican rice. Oh my God, I eat a lot.